Will it snow this Christmas? Well, you can stop wondering by making your own snowstorm in a jar. To make your very own blizzard, you'll need a jar, baby oil, acrylic white paint, water, something to mix those two together, and Alka Seltzer tablets. Firstly, make sure your jar is nice and clean, and then fill it 2/3 full with baby oil. Next, add your white paint to some water and mix the two together. Then pour this mixture into your baby oil. Don't fill it all the way to the top. Break up your Alka Seltzer tablets in pieces and add a few to your jar. And there you have your very own snowstorm. But how does it work? The water is denser than the oil, so it sinks to the bottom. The oil and water are also immiscible, meaning they won't mix together and will remain separate. Alka Seltzer has sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, and citric acid in it. When those mix with water, they form bubbles of carbon dioxide, which rise up to the surface through the oil. When the carbon dioxide is released into the air, the remaining water falls back down through the oil, because water is denser than the oil. You can keep on reusing your snowstorm in the jar. I put mine aside for a few hours and tried again. Now you can have snow all year round.